Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix sorry you have been blocked error for any website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to fix a problem like this, you can simply clear your browser's cache and cookies. Or you can also try to use a different browser, disabling extension or using an incognito mode. Or you can also try to turn on and off your Wi-Fi toggle and go to your Wi-Fi settings. So once you're in your Wi-Fi, you can simply change your Wi-Fi network for that particular issue, as accessing the website through a different IP address can solve this problem. Or you can also go in your VPN and device management and consider disabling your VPNs or proxies. If the issue persists, then you can simply use the method to completely shut down the device and restart it again. So this is how you can fix this error. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.